we will see one example on how to obtain the RE from FA. Okay, so that is FA to RE. Okay, in connection with the previous topic. Then let's take here example. Construct RE for given FA, given finite automata. Transition diagram is given. Q0, Q1 is given as a final state. Q2 is also given as a final state. Q2. Then here Q3 is there. Okay. Now there is a transition for A and B over the state Q0. Then Q0 to QA. Then Q1 to Q1A self loop is there. Then Q1 to Q2 B, and this Q1 to Q3 A symbol is there. Okay, this can be asked for 6 marks. It is asked mostly in the examination. Okay, then see here. Now here the state labels are Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. You can use as it is, or you can give assign here variables also. Okay, so let's assume here capital A is associated with state Q0, B, C, D. So here we have used the variables associated with the state. You can use Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 also as it is. Okay, so there is no problem in this one. You can use as it is, or if you want, you can assign the variables, that is nothing but the new label to the state. That means instead of Q0 we will use the A, which is easy to understand or to write the rules. Then here first note down the given FA. Given FA is 5 tuples. M is equal to Q, number of states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. 4 states are there, that is nothing but the set Q, capital Q. Then sigma, input symbols are A and B. Okay, so A, B, this is nothing but the sigma. Delta is given in terms of the transition diagram. Q0 initial state. Okay, initial state is Q0 and final state are here Q1, Q2. These are the final state. Okay, so this is the given FA. Q, sigma, delta, Q0, F. Okay, now here again identify is there any dead part in the diagram or not. Okay, so again it is clear that if the transition comes from Q1 to Q3, okay, so when it crosses this path and comes to the state Q3, it never reaches to the final state, either to Q1 or Q2. Okay, so here we can say that Q1 and Q3 is a dead state. Okay, dead part. So D is the dead state or Q3 is a dead state. Okay, first we will obtain production rules from the given transition diagram. First, obtain production rules from given transition diagram. We have, okay, now note down the first set of the production rule. You can directly use here equals to sign also. Now you know that the tends to symbol has to be converted into the equal to, so you can write directly, you can save your time. So A equal to AA or BA, AA or BA, okay, or AB. Initial state is not the final state, so we don't have to mark here epsilon. जो भी फाइनल स्टेट रहेगी वहाँ पे इप्सिलॉन करना है. ओके, देन b इज इक्वल टू which is the b, this one, then a b, so b is equal to a b, or then b c, or then this transition a d, or epsilon, because this is the final state. And what is q2? That is nothing but the c symbol is equal to, there is no outgoing transition as it is a final state, so we have to write here epsilon. Okay, and for d again there is no outgoing transitions. Okay, so we don't have to write the, we will not get any equation or the rule from the d because there is no outgoing transition. Okay, now here, now which is the dead state? D is the dead state. Okay, so remove that one, since state D is a dead state, so we can eliminate this one. So we get following revised set equations. Okay, so note down this as it is. जो eliminated है वो part लिखो. A is equal to a or b a or a b, then b is equal to a b or b c or epsilon, this we have to eliminate, and c is equal to epsilon. Okay, so these are the things. Now just give the numbering. Equation 1, this will be 2 and this is 3. Now we have to obtain the value of a in the required form, that is a is equal to as or aa or b. Okay, so this format, s is equal to as or b. Okay, then we will write here a star dot b. Now what we can do here, perform the proper substitution. Now c की value first here put here. Okay, right, then you can write here the equation for b. Okay, so I will write here. Okay, to simplify the set of equations, put equation 3 in equation 2, we get equation 1, we get there will be the change in the equation 2. What is equation 2? b is equal to, okay, note it first from previous, b is equal to ab और bc, c की वैल्यू क्या पुट करना है? एप्सिलॉन. ab और b, c की वैल्यू क्या है? एप्सिलॉन, और एप्सिलॉन एज इट इज, or epsilon this as it is. So b is equal to ab or b epsilon or epsilon. After putting the value of equation 3 in equation 2, we get this one. Okay, now here again write this is equal to b is equal to ab or b or epsilon. Right, now here you can again compare this part. Okay, this is not our final regular expression. Okay, now here this is equation, sorry, from this equation, let us consider this as equation 4. From this equation 4 we get value of b is equal to value of b as what regular expression we will get? Again compare here, s is equal to as or this part. Okay, this word. Now this will be the a part, and this और के बाद जो भी है it will be the completely small b part. Okay, and just compare this one, s is equal to as or b. Okay, now instead of s यहाँ पे कौन सा symbol है? Capital B. What is the value of a here? It is nothing but the a is equal to a here. And what is the value of b here? B is nothing but the b or epsilon, b or epsilon. This is the value of b. Now put, that is nothing but the a star dot b. So a की वैल्यू a ही है, and b key, what is the value of b? That means a star dot, what is the value of b in this case? That is nothing but the b or epsilon. So put that one, b or epsilon. Okay, so equation 5. So from this equation 4 we get this one, this is the value of b. Now put the value of b from equation 5 in equation 1. Okay, put equation 5 in equation 1. Okay, now see the equation 1. What is that one? A is equal to AA or BA or AB. Now what is the value of B? Write it from the equation 5. AA or BA. A is equal to AA or BA or, now what is the value of this one? AB. So A, and what is the B value of B? That is nothing but the A star dot. So write as it is without changing the symbol or any sign or sequence. A star dot in bracket B or epsilon. Okay, so this way we have put the value of B in equation 1. Now we get this one, right? Now again, if you observe the first two sides, there is a common symbol A. So take it outside. A is equal to A or B. A or B, common symbol A, or this part A star dot B or epsilon. Okay, now here again, now this is the equation number 6. Now this, compare this with our required form, that is nothing but the S is equal to AS or B. So this is nothing but the S part, this is S part, this completely will be the A part, and this completely will be the B part. Okay, so we can write this one A star dot B. So here A is equal to A star की वैल्यू क्या है? A और B, A और B whole star dot B. B की वैल्यू क्या है in this case? This completely write as it is, A star slash B or epsilon. Okay, so this is the final value of it, and this is nothing but the regular exponent. So required RE is A or B star dot A star or B or epsilon. This is the final. You can tally this with the help of the transition diagram also. Okay, A or B whole star. Okay.